Hello bakers, today we're gonna be talking about creating custom LODs inside Unreal 4. First we're gonna start by modeling a simple crate, and after that I'm going to import and show you how to set up everything. Now let's start. The first part is going to be just speed modeling, so I'm just going to create a very simple crate by cutting one texture and after that assembling the crate itself. And also I'm going to use exactly the same planks to create a very optimized and more simplified version of it. If you want to learn a little bit more about modeling, I have a couple of videos on my channel that can help you either with controlling edges or for creating UVs for your meshes. So consider subscribing to my channel and checking some of my other videos. Now that we finished creating our model inside 3ds Max together with its LODs, I'm just going to import it together with its texture and set up a quick material so that we have everything done for our LOD 0. Now we have our LOD 0 set up together with a very simple material and the textures that we used, and I'm going to import our custom LODs. The way to do it is once we opened our mesh and we go to LOD settings, you can see that there is a LOD import. So we have LOD 0, which is our main mesh once we are very close to the object. And then we have import LOD level 1, which will open us the browser, and we can from there select where exactly our LODs are. Now we have our LOD 0 and LOD 1, so I'm just going to import LOD level 2 as well. Now that we have both the LODs imported, it's time to set up in what screen size we're gonna change from LOD 0 to LOD 1 and to LOD 2. So here you can see that I have LOD 0, 1 and 2. Again, in order to be able to put some custom distances, we need to remove the auto compute. And now here it's going to be available screen size. 1 means that this is pretty much all the time gonna be available. And if we go to LOD 1, we have 0.75. I'm going to reduce this by 0.5. And then I'm going to go to LOD 2, and this one, yeah, I'm going to leave it like 0.2. So now if I put on LOD auto, you can see that we go in distance, and you can see how the switch is happening. It's a little bit noticeable, but mostly you can see here the triangle count. So we have 3.5K at the moment, and then we go to 384 and then to 276. Of course, we can play a lot with the distances to make the smoothest transitions possible, and as well we can add different levels of detail here and there for our models, or even further optimize it to make like one more LOD if we need more optimization and better performance in our game in distance. Another thing that I mentioned last time is to also optimize our materials. So we have our LOD 0 where we have the material with roughness and normal map and diffuse, but we can also create a duplicate, and I'll just name it no normal map. And here I'm going to remove normal map, and also I'm going to remove the roughness maps. So this way the material itself is going to be more optimized. And now if we are on LOD 1 and come here to sections, and here you can see that we can select another material. So here on the top, you saw that we have 2 slot materials, and on the first one, I put the one with the normal map, and the second slot, I put the one which is without a normal map. Now here, from this section, we can actually choose which one from those materials to be applied. So on LOD 0, we of course want the one with the normal map. And then on LOD 1, I can just click here and switch to the other one. And you can see that it removed the normal map. If I click it once again, you can see that now it's like with a normal map and also with roughness. But if I click it now, it will remove the normal map. And I'm going to do the same for our last LOD 2. So we have even more optimized version for our model. And now our LODs, it's not only switching in between our meshes, but as well, it's also switching in between our materials. So if I come here, we have everything with normal map and roughness. So everything works properly as we want. But once we go into distance, we go into a slower LOD where we have a more optimized version of our material. And then we switch to even lower triangle count mesh for further optimizing our scene. Leave a like and a comment down below. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. See you next time.